Hello kids, today we learn from some alphabets. A. A. A for arm. A for arm. M. M for mango. M for mango. G. G for grapes. G for grapes. S. S for school. S for school. Y. Y for yoga. Y for yoga. B. B. B for blueberry. B for blueberry. H. H for house. H for house. N. N for nursery. N for nursery. T. T for teacher. T for teacher. C. C for cartoon. C for cartoon. I. I for ink. I for ink. O. O for owl. O for owl. U. U for uniform. U for uniform. D. D for donkey. D for donkey. J. J for jackfruit. J for jackfruit. P. P for pig. P for pig. V. V for vanilla. V for vanilla. Z. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. E. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. K. K for king cobra. K for king cobra. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. W. W for water. W for water. F. F for fish. F for fish. L. L for lion. L for lion. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray.